Today we're going to make these delicious papas con chorizo y queso, which are cheesy potatoes with chorizo. It's one of my family favorites. You can serve them with a side of fried eggs or on burritos, and they are so easy to make. So we're going to start with 4 russet potatoes. We're going to peel them and dice them into small cubes just like this. We're also going to dice 1/4 of an onion, and we're going to set it to the side. Next, we're going to heat up our pan on medium heat. We're going to add some cooking oil, and once the oil is hot, we can add our potatoes. We're going to give it a good mix, and we're going to add our diced onion, and we're going to season with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. We mix again and we cover and let it cook for a few more minutes while we prep our chorizo. I actually use Longaniza because Longaniza is thicker and meatier than regular chorizo, and I'm going to dice it just like this so it can cook evenly. After a few minutes, once the potato starts to brown up just like this, we can go ahead and add our longaniza. We're going to cover for a few minutes so the longaniza can soften, and then we're going to mix the longaniza with the potatoes. We're going to continue to cook them on medium-low heat, and you'll start to notice the potatoes start to brown on the bottom. So we're going to keep flipping and turning so we can make sure the potatoes are crispy on all sides. Once they are nice and crispy and the longaniza is fully cooked, we can turn off the heat, and we can add our favorite shredded cheese. I'm using queso Oaxaca. You can also use mozzarella or Chihuahua. And once the cheese is nice and melted, it is ready. You can serve them on flour tortillas and make burritos out of them, or serve them with a side of fried eggs, and they are ready to enjoy.